y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing this 10-inch bob wig that I received from Myfirstwig. This is their 13 by 6 HD lace front wig and the density is 160%. Thankfully, the unit already came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so I didn't have to do anything to this unit except add my even lace tint in the color medium brown. So first things first, I'm going to cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. And I'm going in with the Bold Hold liquid gold to lay my lace down. I'm using my blow dryer on the cool heat setting and I'm waiting until the glue is tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. And I'm gonna lay the lace directly on top of where I applied the glue. I'm going in with my elastic band and I'm using my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. And I like to do this process because it just gives the lace more of an extra melted look and it also secures the lace as well. Starting with that middle section, I'm going to cut my lace off and I'm going to cut the lace in a zigzag motion. And I like to cut in a zigzag motion because it just gives the lace more of a natural look as opposed to just cutting the lace straight across, giving it that harsh, blunt look. Now I'm going back in with my Eben firm hold spray and I'm just relaying the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. Now that everything is glued down, I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and my brush and I'm just going through the top of the wig just so that I can get that nice flat foundation before I go in with my hot comb. I'm using the Nairobi foam to style my edges. So just a few pros and cons about this wig. I would say that the pros of this wig is that it is very beginner friendly and very convenient in terms of it being already pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so I didn't have to customize this wig at all. Another thing is that I do like how soft this actual unit is. And honestly, the last time I received the wig from Myfirstwig, the unit was also very soft, so I cannot complain about that. And as far as the cons, I would just say that I kind of wish that the density of this wig was a little thicker and the wig cap was just a little bit bigger to fully fit my head. I'm going in with my 𝐏𝐫𝐞 wax stick and I'm going to apply a layer of that on top of my wig so that the wig can lay down nice and flat. To style the hair, I'm just gonna straighten it with the flat iron and I'm gonna bump the ends of this wig as well. As you can see, I'm obviously just flat ironing it the easy/lazy way. I usually do it this way when I have like a short wig/bob. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. So here's the final look of this wig. Honestly, I am a fan of bobs. I think bobs are always just a natural go-to style. I just love how convenient they are. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.